I'm here at the Australian launch of CLAAS' new generation of Lexion combine harvesters, which the German manufacturer said have been given a complete makeover. If you think its range of combines were impressive before, CLAAS claims its new lineup will take harvesting efficiency to a whole new level.
Innovation has always been at the forefront of CLAAS combine designs, especially with its AFS hybrid threshing and separation system that it first introduced in 1995. With the new generation Lexion units, the system has been given a boost in size for extra capacity.
What we've done with the new series machine is we've actually increased the dimensions of that APS thrashing system quite significantly. So we've actually changed the dimensions of the main thrashing drum from 600mm to a new 755mm, so a huge increase in capacity in the dimension of the drum, which also increases the concave area, which is where our extra capacity is coming from in this new series machine. We've really spent a few of the last years talking to our customers, asking what they require, what they're looking for. So a lot of those features have been integrated into the new model, and really for us, yes, it's a new generation Lexion, more so than just a model number change because of all of the significant changes that are inside the machine, and then what you'll see cosmetically around the machine through the cab, grain tanks, unloading augers, etc.
The range features 4 models offering up to 653 horsepower.
Top model machine, the 8800, runs a Mercedes-Benz engine. It is at a Tier 5 emission standard and it's 653 horsepower. And then all of the models below our top model run with a Perkins Tier 3, so there's no emission standards.
The engines now feature dynamic cooling and dynamic power functions that essentially allow the engine to work smarter instead of harder, saving on fuel and reducing operating costs. The grain tank is also now bigger and can go up to 18,000 litres, which CLAAS claims is currently the largest in the industry.
Tied into that too is obviously with a big grain tank you want to be able to unload it quickly as well, so we have a new unloading system which is now up to 180 litres per second, so that's a big increase from our current models as well.
Operator comfort is not forgotten. The cab is now roomier and features redesigned controls to better suit operators' needs.
So we've actually pushed the back wall of the cab backwards, and there's a new curved back wall and a bigger window into the grain tank, so a lot more spacious behind the operator. And then we have a completely new redesigned right-hand control panel, which gives us a number of new features on the Lexion, which customers have been asking for. The big other news is that we now have a colour touch Zebra screen, what a lot of our customers have been asking for a few years. It's a very intuitive system and the feedback so far has been excellent.
The CMOS automatic system is available as an option on the new generation CLAAS Lexion combines, and it takes a lot of the stress out of harvesting.
We call it artificial intelligence, so it's constantly updating and changing the settings for the operator to keep the maximum performance all day. It's a long day when these guys sit in the cab 14-15 hour days, and this really does keep their performance levels up. So we say that it makes a good operator an even better operator.
Customers can opt for either the tried and tested Vario fronts or the newer Convio Draper fronts with the new Lexions. Undercarriage options include wide diameter tyres or CLAAS' TerraTrack tracked assemblies. The complete CLAAS Lexion combine harvester range goes on sale in time for the 2020 harvesting season.
And from what we've seen, the good news is that we've already had some of these machines in Australia in the last few years under test conditions. We can truly come to the marketplace and say that the capacity is there with this new system.